want to help you get the most from your spa right from the start by understanding how to set it up, operate the controls, manage the water and look after your investment. We'll break this into easy segments. Filling your spa, setting up the control system, turning on the jets and bubbles, adjusting the massage jets, water maintenance, jet maintenance, cleaning your filters, cleaning your cabinet and spa cover, draining your spa, fixing airlocks, and cleaning water diverters and massage controls. Once you've unwrapped your new spa and removed the tape from the filter lid, filter face and anywhere else, it's time to fill up your spa. Remove the filter face by sliding the cover up and then off. Remove the filter or the left-hand filter with dual filter spas. Then place your hose where the filter was and fill to the line shown on the sticker inside your spa. Now you can turn on your spa at the power point or isolation switch. It will show priming on the control panel until the pipes are full of water. Then it will automatically start heating the water to the factory set temperature of 38 degrees. It will also begin filtering the water based on the recommended daily times. The time can be set by pushing the up button until the screen shows time. Push the OK button twice to access the clock and date settings. To scroll between these, keep pressing the OK button. To change each setting, use the up and down buttons, then press OK to confirm. To set the temperature, select the STMP option on the main menu, or just push and hold the up and down buttons on the right-hand side of the screen until the numbers change. There are other non-essential settings and features which can be managed through the main menu. These features and how to modify them are explained in detail in your manual and on the DVD supplied in your spa warranty kit. On the SV2 control panel, the first button is to control your filtration pump. It can run in auto, on and off mode. You can manually turn it on for extra filtration, but it will always revert to auto mode even if you turn it off. The second button is for your jet pump, which runs all the water jets. It's attached to the second filter and can be used for maximum filtration when required. The next button turns on the air bubbles. You can adjust the strength of the bubbles using the up and down buttons, or push the button twice to choose ramping mode, where the bubbles cycle from high to low. If you turn any pumps or bubbles on, they'll always turn themselves back off after 30 minutes. The last button turns your lights on and off. The colour and effects of your lighting can be adjusted by the up and down buttons, pushing the OK button to confirm your selections. And if you want an extra filtration and sanitation boost after you leave the spa, press the Sanitize button. The SV3 control panel is almost the same as the SV2, but there's another button to control your second or third jet pump. With these spas, some of the jets will be powered by the first pump, and others will be powered by the second and third pumps. The air bubbles work the same as with the SV2. The SV3 controller has 3 buttons to control the lights. One to turn your lights on and off, one to select modes using the up and down buttons to make your selection, and another to choose colours and intensity. If you wish to invert the display on this control panel, push the invert button and use the Sanitize button after a spa for extra filtration and sanitation. The SV4 control panel works just like the SV3, but there are 4 pump buttons. The strength of individual jets can be adjusted in 3 ways. The jet aeration controls on the top of the spa allow air to mix with the water stream, making the jet more powerful, while at the same time introducing thousands of tiny bubbles into your spa. The massage control valve or valves on the top of the spa allow you to control the amount of water diverted to different seats, allowing you to adjust the power of each jet. Experiment and you'll soon work out which jets work together. And turning the outside rim of each adjustable jet will adjust the flow from full to off and all strengths in between. If you want to swap different jets around the spa to create a different type of massage, you can remove the jet faces by turning the jet off, then twisting it sharply and then unscrewing the face. You can only swap jets with the same diameter. Many spas have waterfalls and aromatherapy. If your spa has these features, you'll find 2 other types of controls around the top of your spa. The waterfall control valve, which is slightly larger than the jet aerator controls, turns the waterfall on and off. The aromatherapy fitting mixes fragrances with your air bubbles when it's turned on, and the air bubbles are also on. When fitting the aromatherapy for the first time or replacing the canister, be sure to turn off the bubbles and remove the clear cap on the end of the canister before inserting it. Use the handle to turn the fragrance on and adjust the level of aroma entering the spa. If your water has a low pH level, it will be acidic. While it will be crystal clear, it will be uncomfortable to relax in and can damage your equipment. High pH allows calcium to come out of the solution and make the water cloudy. For water clarity, your comfort and equipment life, make sure you keep your pH level between 7.4 and 7.6. Take the reading, and if it's outside of this range, adjust it as directed on the bottle. Make sure to test the pH first, as you'll get false readings if you test after adding other chemicals. If necessary, adjust the pH using alkalinity increaser or pH decreaser. Do this by adding an approved product as recommended by your Oasis dealer. Make sure the filtration pump is running and add the correct dose to the middle of the spa. Make sure to keep the correct level of sanitizer in the water, and remember that if you're using the spa more frequently, you need to add more sanitizer. If you use it less, you should back off the dosage. Oils, makeup, suntan lotion and organic waste. Failure to do this can make the water cloudy with oily bubbles on the surface. If you're using the spa more, you'll need to shock treat the water more often. Ensure adequate filtration. Filtration is essential to remove particles and organic materials from the water. It's a good idea to add extra filtration after each use by pushing the Sanitize button on your SpaNet SV control panel or push the Pump button on SpaTech ST control panels. Even more importantly, remember to keep your filters clean, as body oils, makeup and suntan lotion will clog the cartridges and make the water go bad very quickly. Dirty filters are also a breeding ground for bacteria that will make the water quality even worse. While our jets are self-cleaning and will rarely clog or stop spinning, it is necessary to regularly remove and check the jets for any grit or oils on the rear of the jet insert or thread. If this isn't done, they can be hard to turn on or off and to remove. To get a better grip on the jet face, try using gloves or a special grip cloth. If they're really stuck, you may have to do this when the spa is empty. Once removed, wash out the housing and use an old toothbrush to get any grit out from the thread. To clean your filters, turn the spa off, remove the filter face and unscrew the filters. Spray the filter off if it has any visible debris and then place it in a bucket with a filter cleaner. Ideally, let it soak overnight, then rinse well with an adjustable spray nozzle. If you have a spare set of filters, you can use one set while soaking the other set and not have any time without filters in your spa. If your cabinet is dirty, you can simply clean it with warm water and a mild detergent. If your cover is dirty, clean that too with mild detergent. Then treat it with a product you can find at all good spa shops. Aerospace 303. Don't use Armour All. After really heavy use, from time to time when you're finding it harder to maintain your water quality, you should drain your spa. Use the drain fitting at the base of the spa and the attachment supplied in your warranty pack. Remove the cap, attach the nozzle, click on your hose. Twist the base of the fitting anti-clockwise and pull on the hose to start the flow. The water will flow through the hose and can be directed where you want. Drain your spa, make sure to always refill it by placing your hose in the filter box as shown earlier. Otherwise, you can get an airlock in the plumbing system. There'll be no water in the heater and you'll get an error message on the touchpad. You can try pushing the filtration pump button or pump 1 for spas with 2-speed pumps on and off to try and get the water flowing. If this doesn't work, you'll have to remove the cabinet panel underneath the touchpad and unscrew one of the barrel unions on the pump. You'll hear the air escaping and see the water start to leak from the union. Retighten it and try the pump again. Now it should work. Your massage controls, often referred to as water diverters, may get very hard to move due to sand, grit and body oils getting into the body of the diverter. If this happens, it's important to turn the spa off first to protect your safety. Next, unscrew the base of the diverter by twisting anti-clockwise. There's no need to remove the handle. Wipe or wash out the body of the diverter to remove the grit. If the body of the diverter is badly scratched, use fine sandpaper to make it smooth again. You can use detergent or methylated spirits to remove any oily or sticky marks. Then insert the handle or diverter mechanism and screw the base back on. If you have any other questions regarding the maintenance and use of your Oasis spa, please call the retailer where you bought your spa. Congratulations on choosing Oasis Spas.